What was the NHL 2-line pass rule and why was it removed? Imagine a game where players are limited in how they can pass the puck across the ice. That was the case with the NHL 2-line pass rule, which shaped the game for over 60 years. This rule was put in place to keep the game fair and prevent players from waiting near the opponent's goal for a long pass. It was introduced in 1943 and stayed until 2005. The rule said a player could not make a pass that crossed both the blue line and the red line without being touched. The blue lines mark the edges of each team's defensive zone, and the red line is the center of the ice. So, if a player was in their defensive zone, they couldn't send a long pass that crossed both lines to a teammate already past the red line. This was mainly to stop cherry-picking, where a player would stay near the opponent's net waiting for a long, perfect pass. The rule encouraged teams to move the puck more carefully through the neutral zone, using shorter passes and better puck control. But it also led to defensive tactics like the neutral zone trap, where defenders crowded the middle of the ice to stop offensive plays. This made the game slower and more defense-focused, often resulting in low-scoring games. During earlier decades, goalie equipment was smaller, which meant more goals were scored. The two-line pass rule helped balance offense and defense by stopping long, fast breakouts that could exploit the smaller goalie pads. The NHL decided to remove this rule in 2005 after the lockout season of 2004. The league wanted to make the game faster, more exciting, and increase scoring chances. Without the restriction, players could make longer passes across the ice, leading to quicker transitions and more dynamic plays. Defensemen and forwards could now create plays on the rush, making the game more open and fast-paced. Even though the game became more exciting, scoring averages did not stay significantly higher over time. Some critics say the change conflicted with other rules meant to keep play balanced. Still, removing the two-line pass rule marked a big shift in how hockey is played today. It helped move the game toward the faster, more open style of hockey fans enjoy now.